Nandito tayo ngayon sa The Farm at Carpenter Hill na Convention Center para mag-attend ng 2024 MINDA-COMNET Congress. Dalawang araw ito, 29 to 30 ng August sa taong 2024. So ito yung kanilang convention center na entrance. Okay, pasok tayo sa loob, pero mag-posing muna tayo kadabi. Okay, ito ang sa loob. Malaki yung area ng The Farm. Ang kanilang lead wall ay courtesy of DA12 sa pagkarinig ko. That's PIA Regional Head Sir Arquilam.
Before kasi, yung nagkasama kami ng ating muling asset.
That's from MINDA representing Secretary Leo Tereso Magno.
And up to what extent are we pushing these initiatives within our mandate insofar as realizing our shared goals and objectives for Mindanao. Before that, we would like to stress that our communication agenda for Minda is no different from your respective offices' communication agenda, whether national line agency or local government units. Common lahat ang agenda natin. Why are we writing press releases? Why are we naka-apel at
si Attorney Rochelle Mahinay Cero na Regional Director ng DILG 12. Ang lecture niya is Peace Journalism.
Anyway, alright, so on to Peace Journalism. Actually, si Sir Montenegro is also a graduate of Peace Journalism. Pareha may mga professor DI. So, sir, correct na lang ang speaker for this afternoon. And
ito naman ay si Miss Jellyby Baay Principe ng DOT 12. Bagong lecture dahil nalaman natin yung mga icons pala. Ano ibig sabihin ng mga icons ng Love the Philippines ng DOT?
Second is chocolate hills.
They have super sharp version that is 8 times better than humans. So the first icon is
Philippine.
Very good. Next icon. This is the sardine run. The sardine run is a natural phenomenon wherein millions of sardines swim around in perfect harmony.
Malbol na ka, sir? Naka-malbol na ka.
This goal abait of big water to protect themselves from predators. This is
dagat siya predicting.
sardine run. Be familiar with the icons. Next, please. This is Butanding. Para take picture na yung iba. Sige, go. The Butanding is another popular attraction in the Philippines and can be seen
Nasa
by
Aslov.
visitors
Wala man ang sardine run.
in Luzon, including Southern Leyte, and of course the famous one in Luzon. So this is Butanding. Next icon, we have the two icons yung cover ng ating Philippine tertiary. So the tertiary or Mauma is the world's second smallest primate, is it measure only about 9 to 16 centimeters. So the two icons is actually tertiary. Next, the Pawikan. Of course, in a global scale, the population of sea turtles has seen a sharp decline with the 7 known sea turtle species on the list of the endangered wildlife. So this is Pawikan. Next is mountains and ridges. Of course, we have a lot of these, relevant destinations in our region. Next, please, we have the Sampavita. Sampavita is the Philippines national flower, as Manila Governor General Dr. 1934. These beautiful white flowers symbolize security, fidelity, and hope. Next, please. Next item is the Banawe Rice Terraces. So this is actually a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Next, please. Next icon, yung icon, heritage na may pang-soap that is Chocolate Hills. This is in Bohol. Next icon, we have yung may dalawang pinol, that is the islands. Next is yung may pink and blue corals, tas na may corals, that is a dive spots icon. Next is, of course, very obvious, that's our waves. And then next, we have the Manila Bay sunset, yung may sun natin. Next, windmills in Ilocos. Next, landmarks and infrastructures. That is in Fort Santiago, in Intramuros. Next, we have the Pahias Festival. Next, the Sinulog Festival in Cebu. Next, we have the Bintas in Zamboanga. Next, we have the Weaves, no? Ito naman talaga yung pinagmamalaki natin sa Region 12. The Weaves, the Mascara Festival, alright, in Bacolod. Next, Sinigang, of course, no? For our gastronomy. And then, the Halo-Halo, obvious. The Mango, Guimaras is very known for that. And then, the Cervantes, or our dirty ice cream. The Boodle Fight, of course. And then, I think, ayan na. So basically, we have a total of 28 icons
Luod si Davao, like Kadayawan.
of our destinations or brand.
Day 2, makikita natin si Miss Hannah Nanit ng PhilHealth. Siya yung current president ng Icon Soft.
Pilipinas vision of the Marcos administration.
And then we have
Explore how we as
PIA Director General Jose Torres Jr.
efforts to connect with and engage our communities effectively. Sana pala yung
presentation.
This is Commodore J. Tristan
every time I do
Tariela,
my presentation, I
spokesperson
always
ng
want
Philippine
interaction
Coast
with
Guard.
the audience. So, I have 3 questions bago ako magbigay ng presentation. At least we can benchmark. That's how we're preparing for our meetings.
After yung kanyang lecture, nagpa-picture yung mga tao. This is our lunch for the second day.
Everyone,
Ito naman si Miss Iris Queso,
how are you doing? Are you
Information
still
Officer
okay?
ng MINDA.
Are you sure? Because if you're not, then we're just gonna back up and do video instead. Para continuation from last night's fellowship night. No, just kidding. No worries, I am not gonna ask you hard questions. In fact, it's gonna be a topic that would be so familiar to you. So familiar that when I was tasked to...
Ito yung last lecturer namin, si Francis Eric Magbanwa, also from MINDA, Media and Information Specialist ng MINDA.
Okay, I currently handle some social media and news production of Mindanao development, and part of our mission is to create a content that is focused on development communication. Now,
Time check, it's 3 o'clock. Natapos natin yung Mindanao Communicators and Networkers Congress. Woo! Another experience, another learnings para sa atin. So, uwi muna tayo ng bahay, then hopefully maka-jog tayo maya-maya pag walang ulan.